Welcome to Pink Women on Fire's vlog.
And yes, we are here in Mount Pulag Elementary School.
Yes, samahan nyo kami as we do our activity today. So let's start na yung program. We have partnered with DSWD Cordillera with the leadership of Regional Director Malaya and Sir Jason from DSWD Baguio City. Second time na ng Pink dito. First time na namin was in 2018. A lot has changed since then. So we have different rotaries. The LGU is also here. And yung mga staff ng Mount Pulag Elementary School. Mag-iikot-ikot ako. Tignan natin kung anong nangyayari na within the Pink Women on Fire. Kasi we are still repacking. Galing pa kami ng Manila. Almost to no sleep. So we're trying to sort things out para all set and good to go. So these are the students from Mount Pulag Elementary School. Say hi! Hi! So we have our hygiene kit set. So meron tayong toothbrush, toothpaste, and then yung snack packs natin. We have juices. So we're also preparing spaghetti and sopas. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, sobrang lamig right now. We have our school supplies. So we have crayons, pencils, notebooks, pads. We have what we call Pink Box Project. We've been doing this since 2015. Pink Box Project is actually, it's a preparation coming from gifters. Random siya. As in, buong idea ko yung laman. And then a child will receive that sabay-sabay. Papakita namin sa inyo how it's gonna happen. And just like what I mentioned kanina, we have partnership with different organizations and non-profit organizations. Cute mo! And of course, hindi ko pating kalimutan, SWD, Regional Director for the Cordillera Region, Regional Director Malaya. So she's gonna be with us the whole time and the rest of the guys. Galing no? Mobile barbershop. Tama ba? Mobile barber. And then there's the mobile kitchen. So ito yung sila. Normally, we have our own activity, but from time to time, we partner with different groups to make it more meaningful since maraming partnership, maraming mga pwede pang ibigay na tulong sa mga community, especially sa mga children. Oh, wow! Okay, so this is the first part of their cultural presentation. Dati, nakabahagya mga yun. Sobrang lamig, pagpigyan natin. Okay, nakita niyo sumayaw ako kanina at ang buong volunteers ng Pink Women on Fire. Nakatulong naman yan, medyo uminit-init yung katawan namin. So ngayon, samahan niyo naman ako. Maglalaro din mga kids. Medyo they're hyped up na. Tingnan ko na mga games na meron for them. Anong game niyo? Ah, wow. Grabe. May jump rope, may sack race. Anong grade niyo? 6. Ang ganda ng mata naman ng batang to. Ayan. Challenge sila sa jump rope. Simple lang ang mga games natin. Tulad yan, jump rope, sack race, at saka yung hula hoop relay. Ang saya! Perfect na game! Perfect yung mga games sa tapampainit ng katawan. Sobrang lamig right now. Si Ate Sen yun, isang volunteer ng Pink Women on Fire, si Ate Sen. Okay, tara, tignan natin kung meron dun. Ate Sarah, anong meron?
Hula hoop!
Hula hoop? Anong gagawin nila sa hula?
Ipapasok nila yung katawan nila hanggang makaabot sa dulo.
Okay.
Ay, hindi. Masisira yung...
Na kailangan po pa rin ng loob. Okay, may challenge. So, normally, ganito kami. Ganito lang kasimple yung ginagawang laro. Ang goal lang is for the kids to have fun with our volunteers. Habang naglalaro, of course, yung mga parents, they're cooking, preparing our lunch. So, puntahan natin kung kanina, ingredients pa lang eh. Tignan natin kung nabuo na. Hello po! Wow, grabe. Anong tawag sa ganito? Pachang pasta. Nagdala tayo ng ingredients for spaghetti. Ang sarap ng gutom akong bigla. 10 kilos of spaghetti. Kakakainin ang isang buong school. Ito pa, para saan po ito? At may chop suey. For sure, masarap ang kalabasan nito. So, abangan din natin. Parang tapos na yung games. Tignan natin ko ng premyo. Candies and jelly. Diba? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Miss Bernice.
Pagod na. Hindi pa umakit. Pagod na. Kumikilos ako kasi antok na ako. Isang oras lang tulog ko kasi may nanggising sa akin.
Lahat pala sila may gifts. Sa kagagalaw namin, medyo uminit na rin ang pakiramdam. Kainakas talaga, naninigas yung mga daliri namin ganyan. So this time around, ito na yung isa sa mga highlights. We are giving out the gifts to the children. We have the hygiene kits, the snack packs, and school supplies plus rubber slippers. So ito siya. Hygiene kits, snack packs. Si Ate Mitch, nag-head ng pagdidistribute nito sa mga children. The children, they are total of 189. And talagang target natin to make sure na lahat silang 189 will receive everything. Especially the Pink Box Project. Kasi lahat yon sabay-sabay na bubuksan. Yun yung most exciting part. Once you open na sabay-sabay, yun naman yun yung sisirain nila yung box, mga gifts na yun, from people they don't know, but decided to bless them. Makita natin yung mga reactions nila. And we wanna make sure that we capture that. Okay?
We can dream, we can hope. Clap your hands, don't let go. Step by step, strong and brave. And love is the light that we wave. Dreams on fire, shining bright, dancing together, day and night. We think women on fire, standing strong. We believe we belong.
At ito na nga yung mga nanalo sa raffle natin ng Eurotex mattresses. So,
Si Yan po.
at si
License po.
Lizen. Ano masabi ninyo?
Maraming salamat po sa Euratex at makakatulog po kami ng maayos.
Wow, very good naman.
Thank you po sa Euratex at makakatulog po kaming maayos.
Yes, at sabi ng Eurotex, you are welcome. Thank you, Eurotex. At ito na nga, nagtatapos na ang activity ng Pink Women on Fire dito sa Mount Pulag Elementary School. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sponsors, sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng regalo. Of course, sa lahat ng naging partners natin, most especially DSWD Cordillera Region through Regional Director Malaya and Sir Jason. And sa faculty ng Mount Pulag Elementary School, LGU ng Kabayan Benguet, and of course sa mga NGOs din na kasama natin dito. So, that's it. The rest of the day will be spent enjoying the nature of Mount Pulag. Thank you!